folks, I just wanted to show you a quick demo of VS Code and how they have integrated MCP servers, effectively making VS Code a brilliant MCP client. So if you press Command Shift P over here, you can see MCP and there is the list servers and the add servers. Let me just list all the servers. So I have fetch and Postgres MCP. There's tons of videos on the internet on how to add these. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to start this server, and I have connected it to a database that I have, right? You can connect it to any database that you have. You can, if you don't have a database, you can just take a simple Excel and just convert it to a Postgres DB using ChatGPT. So it's just about 3-4 lines of code, and you should be able to get it going. And now I'm going to switch on GitHub Copilot, and I'm going to go in agent mode, and I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to try connecting to this database. Can you tell me more about the orders database? All right, it ran a query. Cool. Awesome. It ran a multi-turn. Okay. Wonderful. This is the third turn. Based on my analysis, here is that I found your database has. Okay. All right. Wonderful. Awesome. I'm going to stop it right now. And I'm going to say, can you fetch me the number of orders from June, let's say August 2024. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Let me also check what date range. Wonderful. This is what happens when you club a reasoning model. Okay. All right. All right. So give me the number of orders for June 2024. This is truly the wonderful application of AI, because it does things itself while reasoning, right? Oh, look at that, $72,278. Wonderful. Awesome. So I just wanted to show you how this MCP works as an example of the triangle strategy of how you can add on additional features without causing deep stress to the current capabilities in a platform manner, so that your target market increases, right? So now even PMs can use this to build small prototypes, whereas previously VS Code was only restricted to developers. So have fun, guys.